Hello there, let's see how to change the view mode on our Eufy camera. I have here the SoloCam S340 and this camera has two lenses, so I can see wide angle and also zoomed in, right? So here I have the single mode, but I can just come here on settings and change the mode. Just come to settings and video settings, and here you see view mode, right? Then you can select dual view or single view, which is the one that I have right now. If I click here on dual view, the camera is going to show the two angles at the same time. Let me just bring back here to the main screen. And there we go. That changes. Now you see here, I have this with the zoomed in lens and this one with that wide angle view, right? If I just click here and hold, it's going to change the position to there. And down here, I see with more details, right? It's a closer view of the subject here, all right? So I hope this helps. Now you know how to change the view mode on a Eufy camera. Consider subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.